Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to block calls in Messenger so you can take control of your communication and enjoy a more peaceful experience. It's a straightforward process and we will walk you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, open your Messenger app. If you are not already logged in, make sure to log in first. Now find the conversation with the person you want to block. It could be a chat or a call you have received. Tap on the name of the contact at the top of the conversation. There you will see several options. Scroll down and find block. Tap on block. Messenger will ask you to confirm that you want to block this contact from messages and calls or on Facebook or both of them. So confirm your options. And that's it. You have successfully blocked calls from that contact in Messenger. They won't be able to call or message you anymore. Remember, blocking is a helpful tool to maintain your privacy and avoid unwanted communications. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.